Hi, it's Shorefishing Dorset Live. Less a few teeth. I snapped my bridge out a couple of days ago, so you'll have to excuse the way I talk, guys, but until my teeth get fixed. We've come back down to Christchurch, same place, a week later. Obviously I've got the content for the first one. I'll add the content for the second one, guys. Conditions look good. JD's joined me today. David Hayes has joined me today as well. So hopefully we'll get some footage, guys. Thank you. Right. First fish, straight on ragworm. Little pout. Got mixed baits tonight. I've got the old calamari. Some absolutely massive. Ooh. Still frozen. Mackerel. These are absolute beauties. And of course, we've got the old trusty ragworm. And we got ourselves a few limpet. Sun's out. We have got really nice conditions. Not even put the bivvies up yet. So yeah, fingers crossed, guys. We're going to be in for a good session. Like I say, I'll add this session onto last week's. So they're both Friday nights. It's a week between it. We'll see what the difference is with the wind coming from behind us, not from in front of us. Well, here we are, guys. Got a nice whiting. I put triangle squid at that time. Real nice, long, thin. Beautiful. Well, I'll get him off, guys, and I'll get him straight back. There he is, JD, come back down from Southampton for the second session. Got both rods out now, got a 3-hook flapper on one, pulley panel on the other. I've got squid out, and I've got limpet out as well. Same setup, guys. The old Shimano's. I absolutely love these reels, guys. But yeah, conditions couldn't be much better. Hoping for a big bass tonight. That's my goal. JD, he's after big bass. Probably a ray as well. But yeah, you couldn't ask for better on a Friday afternoon. Not even got the bivvy up. Don't even bother. This is a small knot. I don't think anything's there. Oh, that could be something. Probably another pout or a whiting. Oh yeah, double shot. Pout and a whiting. Bit smaller, but alright. Right, we're a few hours into our session. Just general whiting and pout. I've got both rods out. I've got double sand eel out, and the other one I've got 3-hook flapper, which is Callum's favourite rig and my favourite rig, with mixed baits on it, squid, mackerel and rag. I'm just getting a few taps now on the double sand eel, so could be a ray. We'll soon find out, guys. But yeah, there's a lot more anglers turning up tonight. Hopefully as soon as the darkness comes down, we'll start getting hopefully into bigger fish. But yeah, don't want to talk too long, guys, because obviously hope you can understand me talking. But yeah, until I get my teeth sorted, this is how it is at the moment. But yeah, JD's over there. JD's down there. He's mixed baits tonight. Obviously, I got both rods out. I have got 3 rods, but I'm only going to bother with 2. Got a nice bit of surf coming, but it's not rough like last week. So we're see how it fishes from last Friday to this Friday, just to get a bit more footage. I could have made a video from last week's, but I'll just try and get a bit more content. And obviously fishing the same mark the following week, we'll see what the difference makes. The wind's coming from behind us tonight. Last week it was head on. We had a couple of fish out last week. But yeah, there's a lot more anglers down like Steamer pointing at us. Quite a few setting up down there. Right, I'll bring you back, guys, anything happens. There's Jay into his first double shotty. That's his first fish today. Nice little eel. And a pout. Nice one, Jay.
That's right. First 2 fish?
Yeah. Just picking up, mate, innit? So.
Yeah.
There we go, Jay will get them off, Jay will get them straight back. Happy days. Just starting to lose a little bit of light now, guys. And hopefully we can start targeting a few biggies. Oh, buddy.
I said a live medium strap.
Yeah, that's what struck off. Alright, we're just getting into the dark now, guys. We're starting to get the bites now, whether it's pout, whiting, or... There we go. It's quite nice to actually catch a bite, it's really hard. Obviously I'm filming back from J Daniels, so it's not always easy to catch the bites. High water, I think it's about 6:05, and then we're going to fish a run off as well. But yeah, that's the tip lights from Rig Shark. They're in my link in my about page, guys. Oh, there we go again. Yeah, there's a discount code, so you click the link. Seas West is also there as well, guys, for your boat rigs, shore rigs. They're top quality, absolutely top quality rigs. There's 15% still off with Seas West. Oh, there we go, guys. That's a bit better. Right, I'll bring you back if anything happens. Oh, there we go, still there. Right, guys, I'll bring you back. There we are, guys. Another whiting. I ain't gonna shut up tonight. I've only shown a couple, but yeah, at least we're catching. First decent sized pout tonight. Quite a thicky one. I'll get him straight off, guys. I'll get him straight back. But it's all nice, at least we're catching. It is the winter time. We are going to get absolutely smashed by pout and whiting. But hopefully they'll get bigger. Alright, here we go, guys. Got a beautiful, oh, lively little sucker there. Obviously it's not too easy film at night trying to, but yeah, straight on ragworm, guys. I'll get them off, I'll get them straight back. Beautiful, well happy with that, happy days. Right, we're quite a few hours into the session now. We fished a run up, now we're fishing a run off. we've lost count of how many pout and whiting we've had. They have been good sizes, to be fair. Right, we're quite a few hours into the session now, guys. We've lost count of how many pout and whiting we've had. Obviously, Jay's had that strap, I've had that flounder. I've also lost a good fish tonight as well. Obviously, it's hard getting the footage, trying to grab the crammers so quick, but yeah, we're still going. We're mixing the baits up. We're still like swapping rigs, pulley panels, 3-hook flappers, alternating, but we're still getting the bites. We fished a run up, we're fishing a bit of a run off now, and hopefully one of us can get a decent fish out. Right, here we are, guys. Nice big thick pout, really chunky pout. The tide's running out now. I don't think I'm going to give it much longer. I'll get this back, get a bit of fresh bait out. I'll probably give it another half an hour-ish, and then I'll call it a night, guys. Right, that's the end of our session from me and Jay Daniels, guys. Obviously, we've had okay fish for 2 Fridays on the trot from the same location. I won't be coming back in for a while now. I'll probably head towards the harbour, maybe Cheswell a few times. Happy to get what we get now. I was quite happy to get a flounder tonight. Loads of pout and whiting, guys. I'm not going to film every single one. It's just monotonous how many we've had. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe. It costs nothing. Catch you soon, guys. Thank you very much.